How to add connected lines in Adobe Acrobat. Let's dive right in and explore how to add connected lines in Adobe Acrobat. This feature is super handy for creating diagrams, marking up the documents, or just making your PDF more visually engaging. First things first, open the PDF document you want to work with. Once it's loaded, now there is two options that you can add the connected lines to your document. The first one is you will see a toolbar in your left hand side right over, but it may not be visible to you guys due to the privacy setting. If you are seeing a toolbar right over here, simply tap on the draw of your hand icon and that will open up your few options. From the option you will find connected lines. I will keep the screenshot right over here too. I hope it will help you guys. And another way that you can use is simply go to Fun Text and Tools right over here and search for connected lines. You can see the result right over here. Simply tap on it. Then it gives your cursor or ability to make a connected lines on your document. Now place the cursor where you want to add a connected lines. For example, let me give connected lines right over here. Let's keep it right this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like this, you can make the shape that you want with the help of connected lines. Okay, what you have to do is just pull the cursor where you want to add the connected lines, and once you're happy with it, just tap on right and you will see an option for complete. Tap on it. So that's the way that you can add or connected lines on your document from Adobe Acrobat. You can also adjust the colors and thickness from the tools. At the left you will see an icon something like this, and after you are happy with it, save the changes. Just hit the save icon which is right over here, or you can also just tap on Ctrl S and save a document, and there you go. You have successfully added connected lines in Adobe Acrobat. Give it a try and see how it enhances your documents. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.